This is a video of how you detangle your hair after long twist like this. And this is my daughter's hair, and I'm going to show you how I moisturize the hair. So after I take out the hair, guys, this is how her hair looks like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tangling this hair. You see how it looks like after I moisturize the hair, I take out the hair, so the hair looks as if it's twisted. So I'm going to be needing this hairbrush for this, but in case you don't have this kind of hairbrush, you might need something like this. So one of these two will go, and after that I'm going to be applying this oil. This is the oil I'm using to mix my children's cream. It's just a normal oil, and this is the hairspray. This is also mixed with oil, and this is the conditioner I'm going to use final. So what you're going to do is, when the hair is like this, you are not supposed to comb the hair. Don't brush the hair, don't do anything to the hair. So I'm going to first spray this all over the hair just to make the hair a little bit softer, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray everything. Then before I start applying the oil, this is the oil that I showed you earlier. I'm just going to pour the oil, massage it. I'm not going to comb it, just only massage it, and I will twist it. The reason for this is, when you apply oil, you leave it, the oil is going to go inside the hair and it's going to kind of loosen it a little bit. So this is what I did right here. I pour the oil and just need to massage it, like, to mash it, and I twist the hair. So you see the way I'm doing it now. So I will twist it, and before I will come back, I start applying the condition. This how it is. So now the oil has already worked a lot on it, and I will apply conditioner, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll just keep using the conditioner to mash the hair until all the hair loose. So as I'm doing it right now, I am putting my finger, like using my finger to kind of lose the hair a little. So when it comes to things like this, don't pity your product, use it, because at the end we are protecting our hair. So now I'm going to put finger inside, so you see how good and the thing has worked. You see, just like so, like this and like this. See? So, and I'm going to brush it. You will see that you don't see much hair in my brush, because I detangle this hair very well. So this is how you detangle your hair without you damaging the hair. So now I am finishing with the moisturizing. You see, I didn't comb it first, so you leaving it to go and be doing other ones, you are allowing the product you use to work on the hair. So just go ahead and start brushing it gently, just like so, or use the down of the comb to kind of open it a little. If you see that, you might feel something inside. So if there's nothing inside, just go ahead and use the mat to brush it, just like so. So this is the healthy way, this is the good way, the best way to detangle the hair without damaging, or yeah, to damage the hair. Because when you drag the hair too much, you see there's no single hair in my hairbrush, and the hair is already open, like it's soft now. You see, just like so. I just want to see it. See, the hair is soft now. It's so good. And yeah, so don't forget to always apply hair oil. Oil works very well in our hair. Oil, even if it's the oil you use to, even olive oil, you know, the oil you use to cook, the oil you use to cream, as long as it's oil, it works well on our hair. So don't always forget to apply oil on your child hair. It will go a long way. So this is just a little way. I just said, okay, let me show you guys, in case you make this kind of hair that I style for my daughter, and you will want to, maybe I know a lot of people be thinking, how will I detangle this hair, and the hair is so twisted as if it's twisted hair? How will I do without damaging my daughter's hair? So you see the easiest way. See the comb? There is just a little hair in the brush. That is how good this product is. I don't have a special product that I use, but I just use a good thing that, and they are really working on my kids' hair. So you see, guys, so I hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. And you see, that's the little hair I have in my comb right there. So you see, this is just it. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much. And my daughter wants to perform a little for you guys.